So we're going to be staying up here in Bangkok for 2 nights. Even before we came up, we made hotel reservations. We made the hotel reservations near the car dealership, DDS Auto. We did that just to make it easy. We are staying at Botan, D-E space B-O-T-A-N. I'm going to put the name of it right here, and I'm going to put the Agoda link down in the description because we are paying $38 per night, and there's free parking and breakfast is included. It has a user rating or visitor rating of 8+, and breakfast included. So $38 per night. Let me turn the camera around and show you the room. So here's the room. And the first thing I noticed when we walk in the room is how nice it smells in here, doesn't it, Kim?
Yep.
It smells really nice.
Yep.
And it is super clean. Show you the bathroom. Nothing special in the bathroom. Shower's behind the door, but looks like new flooring, new fixtures. Did you try that yet? Did you sit on it?
Gotta test it.
So beds can be very hard in Thailand.
This is doable.
Where your hips hurt and your shoulders hurt and your back hurt, but according to Kim, we might be okay. A desk area, a big TV, which is nice. We probably won't watch it anyways. And then a view of the power lines, an empty lot, some older row buildings, and some construction. But another thing I noticed walking in here is how quiet it is. Seems really quiet in here, doesn't it?
Yeah, this back building that we're staying in is away from the road, so that's
that's right. So we're probably going to hit up a mall or a restaurant, and we may share that with you here in a little bit. So stand by. So we did a search of places to eat or things to do. It's like 5 o'clock at night, and there's a huge mall near us, near the hotel. It's called Mega Bangna, B-A-N-G-N-A, however you say it. And Kim's hungry like usual. So I looked at the mall, and there were 19 pages of restaurants. 19 pages of places to eat or coffee shops and snacks and all that. So I'm thinking Kim's going to be able to find something here. What do you think?
So,
What does she want? She wants Cheesecake Factory. We ain't going to Cheesecake Factory, but if they have one, maybe we will go. So we'll show you a little bit of the mall. This isn't a mall video, but talk about a big mall. I mean, the malls in Thailand are huge, and just driving up to this place, it does not disappoint, does it, Kim?
There's a huge IKEA here.
A what?
IKEA.
There's a huge IKEA?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't see it.
Oh my gosh.
You say it's huge, I don't see anything. Just like every other mall we've been to. It's crowded, huh, Kim?
Yeah.
Unlike where? Unlike the United States?
Yeah.
A little IKEA cooking class for kids going on right there. I'd say IKEA is pretty popular. So the first thing I'm noticing is some of the stores and restaurants that we're used to seeing in the United States we have never seen here in Thailand. For example, right over there is a Long John Silver. Don't know if you can see it, but there's Long John Silver's. And then a Toys R Us, which I think Toys R Us is kind of went out of business in the States, didn't they? So cool. I want to show you what a lot of malls have here in Thailand. They've got education areas. So here it's called Mega Smart Kids, and it's all schools. There's a music school, there's a reading school, there's an English school over there, there's Yamaha music school. There's a Chinese school over there. Another music academy down there. Just a lot of education stuff. They even have a Lego store. Show you this too. They have Harborland, Mega Harborland, 8,000 square meters. One of the world's top 5 biggest indoor playgrounds. That way. So I was just looking at the food directory, and there's a sample of all the restaurants. And there's what it looks like on the first floor as well. But it looks like all the restaurants are in the same area. So it took us a minute to figure out lay of the land. It looks like all the restaurants, or the majority of the restaurants, are accessible from the outside of the mall. Let me turn the camera around real quick. And it looks like we are in the food area. What did they call it, Kim? The Mega Food Walk. Mega Food Walk. And it looks like all down there is food. All up there is food. Over here, something real popular down there. There's a restaurant over there. So probably this is where 100 of the restaurants are. Right there? Yeah, look how popular it is. There's a line. See that? It's all food, all the way around the whole thing. One of Kim's favorite places right there. I think I found we're gonna eat right there. What's the name of this place?
Thong Smith. Boat noodles.
Cool. Oh yeah. Thong Smith boat noodles. And what attracted me is that right there. It looks great. Oh, heck yeah. Smell it?
Yep.
Let's go. Let me start by showing you the menu. So they have the appetizers, and we're gonna get that right there. Steamed wontons with Szechuan chili. Then you can look at their specialty drinks, and first thing that comes to my attention is the prices. They're not that bad. 79 and 89 baht, which is only $2 to $3 for drinks like that. Then they've got more drinks. They've got desserts, which Kim already had the dessert menu. Didn't you, Kim?
Oh, no custard.
And we love those right there.
Those are good.
And then the boat noodles, which is going to be fun because you get to choose your noodles, you get to choose your soup and your meats. And I already see like 3 of them that I want. And then there's just pages. That's a beef noodles right there. This is beef with spicy soup, noodles with soup. This is noodles without soup, which I think I'm a fan of. And pork. So probably a lot of similar things with pork noodles. And more pork without noodles without soup. Really good. Rice bowls and soup, so you can have it with rice instead of noodles. And I am psyched. I am so looking forward to showing you all what I'm gonna order. Let me show you what I'm gonna order right here. This is mine right here. It is the sliced Australian Wagyu ribeye with noodles, and I'm getting the original rice noodles up there. And I can't wait. And you know what Kim just told me? What did you tell me?
That's the one I want.
Well, you gotta get something different, don't you think?
That's what I want.
Well, get it then. For the drink, I'm gonna get something I've never had before. I'm gonna get the Bale fruit tea. Kim, what are you thinking?
the soda, but I haven't decided yet.
And Kim is going to get the lychee soda. My drink looks just like the picture. And so doesn't Kim's. And Kim doesn't usually like sweet drinks. And that's going to be sweet one right there. These are spicy steamed wontons with Szechuan. Go for it, Kim.
Alright. My skills set still with these are challenged.
Szechuan spices do what to your tongue?
Numb it.
Numb it.
That's
Really good? Really good? Are you going to eat them all?
Oh yeah.
Just going to video my meal. Pouring the stuff in, mixing it up, but I decided we would let Kim do that. But look at how awesome this is.
Oh my gosh.
Just dump the stuff in.
Small sticks.
And mix it up and show us all the Wagyu.
All the yummy goodness in there.
Oh, look at it. Oh.
The noodles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I don't have to show you Kim eating it. We already know it's going to be good.
They were so kind to bring us a fork and spoon.
Yeah, I guess we looked like we might have been struggling a little bit. Let me tell you what we did. We ordered banana fritters.
Yeah.
And we ordered the coconut
Ice cream.
custard thing. We ordered the coconut custard thing, and they didn't have the coconut custard things. Those are typically small. Kim said she wanted maybe a scoop of ice cream with her banana fritters. So look at what she did.
Look at this thing.
Look what she ordered. So there's her scoop of ice cream to go with her banana fritters. And it's coconut ice cream
Yep.
with coconut sticky rice and peanuts. So I'll just show you the banana fritters. I'm not going to show you us eating them, but Kim cannot hold back from diving in. Well, maybe I'll show you.
It's hot.
They're hot.
Oh,
Deep fried, huh?
Oh, good.
They're good? All right, sounds good. Save some for me.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Kim.
Hey.
So, the name of that restaurant was Thong Smith Siam Boat Noodles, or Thong Smith Boat Noodles. And while I was in there, I said, this is one of the best meals I've ever had in my whole life.
It was phenomenal. If you're here at this mall, you gotta hit this place up.
No, not only this mall, they are all over Bangkok. Because I Googled it when I was sitting at the table, because I wanted to see the history, like where they got the name Smith and stuff like that. I didn't find that out.
He's still recovering from the spices.
But what I did find out is that Thong Smith boat noodles are the most expensive boat noodles in all of Bangkok. Our bowls are about $15 each. Then our drinks are about $3 each. And then our desserts were about $8 total. And they put a service charge on there. So our total bill was 1,703 baht, which is about 50-something dollars.
Which is pricey for here.
It's pricey for here, but like I said, I thought it was one of the best meals I've ever had. It's way up there on the list.
Yeah, and we're full.
Oh, we're full. So thanks for watching. That's going to be the end of this video. Oh yeah, and they gave us a free gift. It looks like a tote bag or something.
Yep.
And is that the second tote bag we've gotten today?
Yes.
Where did we get the first tote bag?
Pet time.
Pet time, where we have our dog Zoe spending the next couple nights without us. So again, thanks for watching. I'm going to try to do better on my videos. I don't think my videos are that good, but some of you guys do, so we appreciate it, and see you in a bit.